All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and do arm circles, forwards and backwards. The goal for this is to warm up and strengthen the shoulder muscles. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with that. So to do that, take your arms out to your sides, put a little thumb facing forward, and then you can do small to medium size or large size circles, and you wanna do that at least 30 times. And we're gonna go forward, and then you're gonna turn your hands backwards. Let me show you that from the side. Just like that. Keep your neck, you don't want your neck going forward like this when you do it. You want to keep your head up when you do that. Next thing you're going to do is you want to go backwards. So same thing, backwards, opens up the shoulders here. Creates a nice little fire to warm up your shoulders.